What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install Apple Music in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to install the Apple Music, first of all open a browser and then search for Apple Music. Now here scroll down and this is the Apple Music app. So here tap on install and then it will take you to the Google Play Store. So from here tap on install and then the Apple Music app will start downloading. So wait for download. And after downloading it will automatically get installed in your phone. So wait for few seconds after downloading, and after a few seconds you can use Apple Music in your phone. So just simply tap on open and then scroll down and tap on more and then tap on agree. Now tap on continue, and after that you can use Apple Music on your phone. So that's how you can install Apple Music in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.